This protein right here tastes really good. My name is Neyfi Del Rosario and I am a holistic nutritionist and best-selling author here in New York City. And in this channel, I discuss everything about nutrition, fitness, and exercise that will help you melt that fat off. And if you're into that, please consider subscribing. My mission is to inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself using the power of nutrition and keto. There will be a link down in the description that you can guys go at any moment throughout this video to check out the full review on Amazon and actually get this protein. I just got back from the gym, I took a nap and I forgot to eat. So what a better way to get my protein in is by having a protein shake, right? So the other day I was out of whey and I asked one of my friends, yo, what whey flavor should I try? And he's like, oh, you should really review the Ghost protein because Ghost protein tastes really good. I was like, really? I never tried one of those. And since you guys love the reviews and love the way I mix my protein, I decided to make another review because why not, right? First of all, the design of the tub is really cool, right? You get into the supplement store and you see all these jugs. It's like, yeah, you can get huge and you can get big, and they're big red letters. But this one's really, really nice, really subtle, and kind of stands out in a different way. So you need to know that Ghost protein has both whey isolate and whey concentrate, right? So it has both type of wheys. If you're lactose intolerant, you may not want to eat a lot of these, right? But the good thing is mostly isolate, right? And whey protein isolate is really high quality, right? Because of that, has 140 calories per serving. Has a little bit more calories than the other proteins. Some of them are 120, some of them are 100, right? But that's a lot of talking. Let's see how I can make this protein shake. If you find value in this video, please hit the like button, because the more likes I get, the more people that get to see this video. And if you're finding value in this video, why someone wouldn't find value in this video too? So the instruction to make this protein is about 5 to 6 ounces of water, and each serving is 36.5 grams of whey, right? So each scoop will have around 25 grams of protein, right? This protein has a little bit more than some of the other proteins that I have tried. Some of them have 22, 23. This one has 25. So that is really good. So the first thing we're going to do is get 6 ounces of water in there. The second thing I noticed after I opened this protein is that the scoop comes in the top. This scoop is a huge scoop because it's 36.5 per serving, and it's just as big as the thing. So I am gonna use a spoon so I can get 36.5 grams of whey inside of my water bottle here, because the scoop is huge. And that's a good thing for some people. If you like big scoops, this is the protein for you. So I have my whey here in my water bottle, and I am gonna shake it like a regular human being, because in this channel we do not shake whey protein in a cup, because nobody does that. Alright, I have gotten a glass. I don't pour out my protein out of here, but I am going to just to show you guys the consistency and how it looks like. I never seen this protein outside in a glass, so this will be very interesting. Ooh, this really does look like blueberry juice. I thought it would be a lot thicker, because if you guys didn't know, this protein has crunchy bits. It's like it has cereal in it, like a little cereal crunchy bit in it that are really fun to bite. So yeah, let's see how this protein tastes. So you guys, I am back with my protein shake, and it looks like a cereal happened in my cup. I never tasted this protein in water just like this. I sometimes make protein pancake or protein cake, right? Or I add protein to my French toast, and some of you add it to the oatmeal. So I never drank it like this, right? So let's see how it tastes. Oh wow. My first impression is that it does taste like pastry. It does taste like cake, right? But the crunchy bits, I know that's supposed to be like cake, but it's sort of like cereal. It's like, you know, crunchy breadcrumbs that are in there, right? Flavor is really good. It does taste like blueberry. For me, it has a little hint of orange, right? If they so decide to make an orange flavor in the future, they can, because all they have to do is take the blueberry and leave the citrusy taste in here, and it'll taste just like it. It tastes really good. Because the crunchy bits, this protein will be really good for protein cake, right? Because it does taste like cake, and it'll be really good for protein pancake and recipes for cooking. So I have used that protein only for cooking. I never tasted it like this, but now that I think about it, it's really good, right? It actually tastes really good in liquid form, like a regular protein. And the crunchy bits is just fun to eat. And for the extra 20 calories that it has from the whey concentrate, I think it's worth it because it tastes really good. And like having the extra fat in there from that type of whey is really good. If you guys want to check out this protein and the full review, there will be a link. The first link in the description will be to Amazon when you guys can see this protein and actually get it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, because the more like I get, the more people that get to see this video. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell, because I'll be posting videos like this weekly to inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself using the power of nutrition and keto. If you're confused about information here in YouTube, there's 2 videos of me right here that you can learn something right now. I love every single one of you.